Why is it that no matter how hard you work, it feels like you're still falling behind? Your paycheck comes in, and before you can even take a breath, it's gone. Rent, bills, groceries wiped out. The cost of living keeps climbing. Groceries cost more than ever, gas prices go up and down, but never really down, and inflation eats away at every dollar you make. More than 60% of people today are living paycheck to paycheck. That means most people are one car repair, one emergency, or one missed paycheck away from financial disaster. That's a heavy weight to carry. Most people don't even like their jobs. Studies show nearly 78% of people feel stuck in work they don't enjoy. That's almost 8 out of 10 waking up every morning to go somewhere they don't want to be, to answer to someone they don't want to answer to, just so they can keep scraping by. And retirement? That dream that used to feel like a guarantee for people who put in decades of work, it's slipping away. Pensions are rare. Savings aren't enough. Social systems can't be relied on. For many people, the idea of retiring at 65 is gone. They'll be working into their 70s, not because they want to, but because they have to. If that reality hits you in the gut, then stick with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a completely different path. You're going to learn about a business model. It's a done-for-you digital business where you resell educational programs in the booming e-learning industry. You don't have to create anything. You don't have to be a tech wizard. You don't have to gamble money on inventory. You set it up in one day. You plug into training that gets you your first sale in a week. And then you run it in 2 hours a day from your phone and Wi-Fi around your schedule. And if you want this broken down step by step, I put together a free PDF guide that shows you exactly how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. So just go to the link in my bio, use your best email so it reaches you, and check out the overview when it lands in your inbox. And if you have any questions, reply to me. I'm here to help you. Now, let me explain what this is. Most people think building an online business means complicated funnels, endless learning curves, or spending thousands on ads. But that's not what this is. This is a done-for-you system. You get master resale rights to digital programs, which means you can resell them over and over again and keep 100% of the profit. You don't have to create the programs. You don't have to design a website. You don't have to figure out how to build a sales funnel. It's already created. And what makes this so powerful is how fast you can launch. You can set up your business in a single day. From there, you plug into the community, introduce yourself, and you're surrounded by people on the same journey. You're not doing this alone. Then you dive into the Launch to Profit training. It's step by step, designed to walk you through exactly what to do to get your business making sales fast. Many people get their first sale in a week, not because they're geniuses, but because the blueprint works. Once you're launched, you start your 2-hour workday. Each day you post 3 pieces of content to social media. You go live to connect with your audience. You reply to emails, messages, and you go through training. Okay? You got to email people, you got to message people, but that's done automatically because people buy from people they trust. You use the copy and paste free ad method to speed things up. You build your email list. The money is in the list. And while you're doing those things, the automations are working for you. They're capturing leads. They're following up. They're closing sales. That's how this business makes money even while you're sleeping. Let me share a bit of my story because I wasn't born into this. For 10 years, I lived as a monk. My life was about service, simplicity, peace, healing, and transcendental philosophy. I studied, I meditated, I played music, I shared wisdom, I fed the hungry. It was a meaningful life, but it wasn't a financially free life. When I came back into society, I worked for a company for 5 years. I thought I had stability, but in 2021, everything shifted. We got an email from the company, no meeting, no conversation. They slashed our pay in half, gave us 3 weeks notice, and basically said, you can stay or you can go. Imagine that. Half of your income gone, just like that. That was my wake-up call. I tried making money online, MLM, affiliate marketing, side hustles. I poured in time, money, and energy, and I failed. I lost more money than I actually made. Then in 2024, I found this blueprint, a done-for-you digital business model that gave me everything I needed to launch in just one day, a community that gave me support, training that guided me step by step. And for the first time, I felt like the dream of freedom was actually possible. That's why I share this with you, because I know what it feels like to be stuck. and I know what it feels like to finally find a way out. Now, let's talk about why this is better than other models you might have heard of. Affiliate marketing sounds good, but you're usually keeping just a small fraction of the profit while building someone else's brand. MLM, you're chasing people, relying on uplines and downlines, and it never really feels like your own business. Dropshipping, you're dealing with slim margins, angry customers, suppliers, and shipping delays. Amazon FBA, you're buried in fees, investing thousands in inventory, competing with giants. Trading, it's gambling, and one wrong move can wipe you out. This model, no inventory, no middlemen, no monthly fees, no slim margins, no customer service headaches. And every sale is 100% profit, 100, 300, 600, even $900 a sale, and it's all yours. If you're starting to picture how this could work in your life, now's the time to grab my free PDF guide. It's going to show you step by step how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. The link is in my bio. Just drop your best email, check the overview, and reply if you've got questions. But let's not just talk about the mechanics. Let's talk about the dream. Because at the end of the day, you don't want a business, you want what the business gives you. You want to pay off debt and finally breathe. You want to travel without asking for permission. You want to wake up without an alarm clock. Design your day around what matters most. Spend time with your family. Go after passions you've been putting off. You want freedom. That's the destination. The business is just the airplane that gets you there. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You wake up, check your phone, and see commissions that came in overnight. You post some content, you go live, you post free ads, you reply to a few messages, and then you close your laptop or turn off your phone, and 2 hours and you're done. The rest of the day is yours. That's the lifestyle. That's the dream. But here's the thing, you have to start. Waiting doesn't change anything. Inflation won't wait. Bills won't wait. Jobs won't magically become secure. Retirement won't fix itself. The only way to change is to take action. So here's my final invitation to you. Go to the link in my bio right now. Grab the PDF guide. Use your best email so it gets to you. Check out the overview. Reply to me if you have questions. And if you see the opportunity to start, don't wait. Every day you delay is another day stuck in the same cycle that you're in right now. Your freedom won't build itself, but with the right system, the right support, and the decision to take action, it's closer than you think.